Hello guys, today we are doing a little bit different. We are doing we are doing a Deathrun system called like buttons and the trap. Two different things what we do today. And first of all, you have to make the map, or I put the link on the description for this map so you can follow along. So let's begin. So first thing, you wanna make a trap button, right? Let's make it for quick. Let me just do it for quick. So this is the trap button, okay. Let me add some color, reds. I don't know, just put this thing here, I don't care. So next thing, you wanna grab a box trigger and you wanna place it like this, right? Oh, now we need the traps. Just simply and make its size a little bit bigger and add how many cubes you want. I add 5, I think. Let me see. Yep, I add 5 cubes, okay? So next thing, you wanna open up your level blueprint and you're gonna delete all this. And you wanna create a variable called button pressed. And we can make this public. So it's easy to edit. So next thing, you wanna okay, I made a first-person template, like just adding a first-person camera. The third-person camera, just drag it into the head. But this is, yeah, I'm trying to make for next tutorial something with this different camera. So now you wanna take this button. Where is this button? Okay. You wanna take this box trigger. You wanna begin and end overlap is really important here actually this time. So next thing, you wanna get one, you select one box, right? And now you 1 and 2 and we don't need this 5 and after this you have all box selected. I put them on this like this way. So put them right here right now. So first thing, we want to cast your third person character or what your player character is, because my character is player PP, right? Next thing, you wanna add a key for this. I use a key input for this thing, and now you wanna add a gate. This is for enter, this is for open. Next thing, you wanna add a impulse because we need to launch these cubes, right? So you type add add impulse at look. No, we don't need this. add impulse. Right, you wanna drag this here and add those into the targets. So he's creating a static mesh component because it's a static mesh and stuff. But we're gonna change it with 11 because 11 is the first. Let me speed up this process, okay? Okay, now you wanna uh, split pin this value. Okay, now like if you see, like we think we need to go with this with the y-axis. Okay, you see y-axis, so you want to promote this to variable. And you are typing impulse value right here. I don't know, I'll put some like 4000. And for debug purposes, we can print string hello. And now let's test it. But it's too big. Let me do it. Some magic trick over here. Let me add it down a little bit. So if you click the F key, you see hello is coming. But okay, we got some errors here. Add impulse, C axis. Wait, hold on. Let me see what's wrong with this time. Oh yeah, velocity change. Sorry. So we need and so no. Actually, I need to make it a little bit smaller because I can see the noting and a little bit smaller, bigger, right? So now we can see what's going on, right? But it's still nothing. Let me see what I did on my testing map. And okay, we done. Okay. So next thing you need to do is not C, Y axis. I put it wrong, sorry. Y axis, right? Now let's test it. But still nothing. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Let me just type it for 500 here and remove this and delete the value. But why they are not impulsing? What the fuck is going on? Also, you wanna put this thing over here so we can rest, so we can. I don't know why she's not impulsing cubes, right? Oh yeah, my bad. Oh, forgot. Okay, you need to enable physics on them. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm sorry. You need to enable physics. Yep, and make those things non-static. Let me see now. You see, our first step is okay. One cube is not. Yep. So now we can like add more impulse and stuff. You know, you just press the button here. You know. They're just going back in the same place right now. So let me add 10,000 impulse. Oh, sorry, 100. So, and you can like play with this. These values right here and stuff. And now let's see what's going on. You see? This is the trap right here, okay? So let me make it like for testing purposes a little bit bigger. So let me just unhide this. Yep, you see now, okay. So you see this thing right here. Like if we are like the simplest way to make it is recasting to the player, right? After this we are taking this thing and destroy actor. This is the easiest way how to do that, but it's a broken method actually. Let me demonstrate for you. So if I'm collapsing in and after this I'm coming out, it's gone, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. So, but if player like accidentally like going for this trap, like first trap, but and player can use it. Okay, so for me, how I find to fix it is you want to drag out this, right? So you see earlier we put this press button here, okay? So we want to make sure its button is pressed already. But if it's pressed, we gonna destroy the actor, and if it's not pressed, we don't wanna do nothing. So let me demonstrate you now. So you see, I don't even press the button. You need, I see I'm coming out. It's still here. But if I press the button, I'm coming out. You see, it's gone. But I need to figure out this thing how to like if you are. Yeah. So this is the simplest way. Okay, yeah, too simple. So let me 9,000. So this is the simplest Deathrun system to make in Unreal Engine. What I learned using it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you to the another one I think soon. So yeah, I have now a Discord server. What's in the description? So you can ask help and do stuff in there, talk people, and yeah. Yeah, I think this is it, and we will see you soon.